When it comes to choosing the perfect tablet for students, several key factors come into play: performance, portability, battery life, and versatility. Tablets have become indispensable tools for students, offering a balance between power and convenience, which makes them perfect for taking notes, reading textbooks, and streaming lectures. Here are the best student tablets available today. The OnePlus Pad is a newcomer in the tablet market, but has quickly gained attention for its balanced performance and affordability. It features a sleek design with an 11.6-inch 2.8K display, providing vibrant colors and sharp visuals, making it ideal for streaming videos and reading ebooks. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor, the tablet delivers robust performance for multitasking and running various apps. It comes with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, giving students plenty of space for notes, documents, and multimedia content. Also offers a long battery life, ensuring that students can get through an entire day of classes without needing to recharge. With its budget-friendly price and solid performance, the OnePlus Pad is a great option for students looking for an all-rounder tablet. The iPad Air 5, equipped with the powerful M1 chip, brings desktop-level performance to a slim and lightweight form factor. Its 10.9-inch liquid retina display provides stunning visuals, making it perfect for both productivity tasks and entertainment. The M1 chip ensures fast performance, capable of handling demanding apps like photo editing software and multitasking with ease. It supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, which is ideal for taking notes, drawing, and annotating documents. Also, it has a long battery life, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge, perfect for a full day of use. Additionally, its compatibility with the Magic Keyboard turns it into a mini laptop, making it versatile for various student needs. With its combination of power, portability, the iPad Air 5 is a top choice for students who want a tablet that can do it all. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a more affordable option in Samsung's tablet lineup, making it an excellent choice for students on a budget. It features a 10.5-inch TFT display, which, while not as vibrant as AMOLED, still provides good visuals for reading, watching videos, and browsing the web. Powered by the Snapdragon 695 processor and paired with 4 GB of RAM, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus delivers decent performance for everyday tasks and light multitasking. It also comes with up to 128 GB of storage, which can be expanded with a micro SD card, providing plenty of space for notes, documents, and media files. The tablet has a solid battery life, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge, perfect for a day of classes. With its affordable price and reliable performance, the Tab A9 Plus is a great choice for students who need a budget-friendly tablet for basic tasks. The Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is a versatile tablet that offers a great balance between performance and price, making it ideal for students. It features a 12.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals that are perfect for reading, watching videos, and multitasking. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor and up to 8 GB of RAM, the Tab P12 Pro provides smooth performance for everyday tasks and productivity apps. It also includes the Lenovo Precision Pen 3, which is perfect for taking notes, drawing, and marking up documents. The tablet offers up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it reliable for a full day of use. With its powerful performance, large display, and included stylus, the Tab P12 Pro is an excellent option for students who need a versatile and capable tablet. The XOM Redmi Pad Pro is a budget-friendly tablet that offers impressive features for its price. It comes with an 11-inch 2.5K display, providing clear and vibrant visuals that are great for watching videos, reading, and browsing. Powered by the Snapdragon 870 processor and up to 8 GB of RAM, the Redmi Pad Pro delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. It also includes up to 256 GB of storage, which is more than enough for notes, documents, and multimedia files. The tablet has a long battery life, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge, ensuring that students can use it throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. With its affordable price and solid performance, the Redmi Pad Pro is a great choice for students who need a reliable and budget-friendly tablet. In conclusion, These tablets offer a range of features and prices, making them suitable for different student needs. Whether you're looking for a high-performance device like the iPad Air 5 or a budget-friendly option like the Samsung Galaxy Tab 9 Plus, there's a tablet on this list that will meet your requirements. Choose the one that best fits your study habits and enjoy the benefits of having a versatile and powerful tool for your education.